Are you looking for the best upright vacuum in 2025? In this video we will look at Shark Upright Vacuum on the market. Before we get started with our video, click in the description link to buy good quality products. Powerful suction, deep clean carpets and tackle bare floors with multi-surface powerful suction. Lift-away functionality, detachable pod for cleaning under furniture or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, stairs, and more. Anti-allergen complete seal technology, works with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Perfect for pets, powerful pet hair pickup attachments like the upholstery tool make cleaning pet hair a breeze. Swivel steering, easily maneuver your vacuum in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture, and more. Brush roll shut-off, feature allows you to instantly switch from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning. Large capacity dust cup, 0.9 quart capacity for longer cleaning sessions. Easily remove dust cup to empty debris in seconds. What's included? Navigator lift-away deluxe upright vacuum, upholstery tool and crevice tool. Rinse filters under running tap water until the water runs clear. Squeeze filters and let air dry for 24 hours before replacing. Do not wash in dishwasher or washing machine.